students, let's continue with the topic tenses, the present tense in English grammar subject. In the previous session, we studied about the simple present tense. In this tense, we learned that when do we use the simple present. हम इस tense का use कब करते हैं? तो to express custom or habits को express करने के लिए. For example, I play badminton every day. I go to school every day. Right? तो to express custom and habits, we use simple present tense. दूसरा है टू एक्सप्रेस व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपन इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. जो प्रेजेंट टाइम में, जो प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में जो चल रहा है, राइट, उसे एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज किया. फॉर एग्जांपल, सी हाउ इट रेन्स, राइट. एंड द थर्ड इज टू एक्सप्रेस जनरल ट्रूथ्स को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. एज द अर्थ मूव्स राउंड द सन सेट्स इन द वेस्ट, राइट. तो जो जनरल ट्रूथ्स है उसे एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ किया जाता है. हमने कुछ रूल्स भी मैंने कुछ रूल्स भी आपको समझाए थे कि जब भी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का हम यूज़ करते हैं उसकी फॉर्मेशन क्या है. एक बार मैं आपको रिकॉल करवा देती हूँ. तो जो फॉर्मेशन है, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब और प्लूरल वर्ब, राइट, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस अदर वर्ड्स. तो जो सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस होता है, उसकी फॉर्मेशन क्या है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब, बेसिक वर्ब और रूट वर्ब और प्लूरल वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस अदर वर्ड्स. अब वर्ब का चेंजेस वो सिंगुलर आएगा या प्लूरल आएगा, ये सब्जेक्ट निश्चित करेगा, राइट. व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट इज आई, वी, यू and they, or any plural subject or any plural noun, we have to use verb, root verb, right. We have to use root verb when the subject is I, we, you, they, and any plural noun we have to use root verb, right. And when the subject is he, she or it or any singular noun, we have to use plural verb. We have to add s after the verb, as she dances, right. He eats, right. So when the subject is he, she, it or any singular noun, we have to use s after the verb. Now we also discussed about the negative sentence. As in the simple present tense, when we make negative sentence, we have to use do not or does not, right. And to make a question, we have to use do or does, right. This is about the simple present tense. Now today we are going to learn present continuous tense. First of all, we will see that when the present continuous tense is used. ये present continuous tense का use कब होता है, right? To show that the action is still continuing. जब कोई भी action होती है, कोई भी क्रिया होती है, वो continue होती है, right? That is incomplete or continuing. Then we use present continuous tense to show that the action is still continuing. Right? For example, I am speaking now. अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? बोल रही हूँ. The action of speaking is continuing. Right? I am teaching you. You are studying. तुम्हारी स्टडी करने की जो एक्शन है वो कंटिन्यू है. So to show that the action is still continuing, we use present continuous tense. Now what is the formation of present continuous tense? We have to change verb according to the tenses, right? In the simple present tense, we use singular verb or plural verb according to the subject. In this present continuous tense, we have to use is, am, are plus ing verb. वर्ब के पीछे हमें क्या ऐड करना है? ing. When ing is adding in verb, it is called present participle. Present participle. Right? तो हमें verb के पीछे क्या ऐड करना है? ing. The formation is simple. Formation is am, are plus verb ing. ing verb हमें ऐड करना है. For example, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट आएगा प्लस is, am, are प्लस ing verb प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. यहाँ पे मैं एक एग्जाम्पल आपको देती हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लिख रही हूँ. I am writing an example here. It is raining heavily now. Right? It is raining heavily now. Now means अभी. अभी क्या हो रहा है? Heavy rain हो रहा है. Right? जोरदार की बारिश हो रही है. तो ये जो बारिश होने की जो क्रिया है वो कंटिन्यू है. तो it is raining heavily now. is plus ing. यहाँ पे हमें is, am और are का यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट करना है. राइट? वी हैव टू यूज is, am, are अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. When the subject is singular here, he, she or it or any singular noun, we have to use is. When the subject is I, we have to use am. Right? I am playing in the rain. Or we can say I am enjoying the rain. Right? तो I के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? We use am with the subject I. Right? Or when the subject is you, we, you, they, we use here are. You are enjoying the rain. Right? Okay. Now I hope you have understood this thing. The formation is subject plus is, am, are plus ing verb. Now, as we talk about the negative sentence here, the formation of negative sentence is subject plus is, am or are plus not. In the negative sentence, we have to add not just after is, am, are, and then ing verb, and then object, and then other words. Right? For example, it is not raining heavily. Right? We have to add not just after is, am and are to make the sentence negative. All the points you have to write down in your notebook. Okay? Now, when we talk about the question, interrogative sentence, we have to use is, am, are at the starting. For example, is it raining heavily? क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट क्या आएगा? is, am और are आएगा फर्स्ट में. Then subject, then ing verb, and then other words. Right? Okay. Let's solve some examples of the present continuous tense. Here are some blanks given and the root verb is given in the bracket. Now we have to use the proper form of verb according to the present continuous tense. Right? We have to use the form of present continuous tense in these blanks. First is the baby blank now. Here the root verb cry is given. Right? So what is the answer? What is the formation of present continuous tense? Is MR plus ing verb means present participle. Right? So the baby, here the baby is given the singular subject. Right? So which be verb we use here? Is. The baby is and cry. We have to use crying. Right? Is MR plus ing verb. Here the baby is singular noun, so we have to use is crying. Now, now means अभी. ये जो now है, now, look, right? These are the suggestive words for the present continuous tense. They indicates the present continuous tense, right? They indicates that the action is continuing, right? Here second is look the bird blank in the sky. Look, the birds are flying in the sky. Here the bird, this is a singular noun. So we have to use is and fly as flying, right? The fly is a root verb and we have to use the form of present continuous is flying. Look, the bird is flying in the sky. जो बर्ड है वो स्काई में फ्लाई कर रहा है, उसकी एक्शन कैसी है? कंटिन्यू है. सो इज फ्लाइंग. आई ब्लैंक नॉट ब्लैंक अ न्यूज़पेपर नाउ. Now the root verb is read, right? So here the sentence is negative. In the negative sentence, what is the formation? Is MR plus not plus ing verb. तो यहाँ पे हमें I के साथ क्या यूज करना है? Which to be verb we have to use with I. Is am or are? Am. Yes, we have to use here am. I am not read. So what will be right here? Reading. Yes, I am not reading a newspaper now. Again I repeat that now, look, see. These are the suggestive words for the present continuous tense. Now here fourth question, blank pupils blank their homework now. Here interrogative mark, question mark is given, so it is the interrogative sentence. Now what is the answer? What is the formation of interrogative sentence? Is MR plus subject plus ing verb, right? So first of all we have to write is, am or are according to the subject. Here pupils is the plural form, right? So we will use here are pupils, and here the root verb is do. Now we have to put here the present continuous form, right? So what is the present continuous form of this do? Doing, right? Are pupils doing their homework now, right? Now I hope you have understood all these blanks and the present continuous tense very well, right? If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, we will continue with the another tense is present perfect tense in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.
बंद कर दो ना.